Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up EV charging costs from ChargePoint to Mint, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your EV charging costs from ChargePoint to Mint, begin by logging into your ChargePoint account. Navigate to the reports section in your ChargePoint dashboard. Select the time frame for which you want to gather your charging data. Export your charging data by clicking on the export button. Choose the CSV format for the export file. Save the CSV file to a location on your computer where you can easily access it. Next, log into your Mint account. Go to the Transactions tab on your Mint dashboard. Click on the Add Transactions button. Select the option to upload a file from your computer. Locate the CSV file you exported from ChargePoint. Upload the file to Mint. During the upload process, Mint may prompt you to map your fields. Ensure you align the correct fields, such as date, amount, and description. Once mapped, confirm the upload. Review the imported transactions to ensure accuracy. You can categorize your charging costs for better organization within Mint. Once completed, monitor your budget and expenses in Mint for accurate tracking. Your EV charging costs from ChargePoint are now successfully backed up in Mint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.